Hello, welcome back to the case study series. It's the fourth question. So when you look into this curve, you can easily guess this belongs to a chapter polynomial. Okay. A ball is thrown in the air so that after t seconds, its height h meters above its starting point is given by the polynomial h is equal to 25t minus 5t square. So this is a polynomial given where this equation will give you the height. Observe the graph of the polynomial and answer the following questions. Write the zeros of the given polynomial. Find the maximum height achieved by the ball. Then third question, after throwing upward, how much time did the ball take to reach the height of 30 meters? Find the two different values of t when the height of the ball was 20 meters. Okay. So let us solve it one by one. So before starting with it, you just need to understand this is a parabola which is downward parabola. Okay. The standard form already we know, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If you take like this, when the coefficient, the sign of x square is positive, the parabola is upwards. Okay. Now here the parabola is downwards, so sign of the x square term, okay, that is negative. So here you can see minus 5t square, the sign of a is negative. So therefore the parabola is downwards. Okay, then you can see when you look into this curve, you can see there are 2 points that is intersecting the x-axis, that is t here, which is 0 and 5. So 0 and 5 are the roots of this equation, correct? It is from the graph we can easily find. So they are asking write the zeros of the polynomial, so we can directly use the graph. Then find the maximum height achieved by the ball. That means what? At point 5 by 2 comma 0, it has achieved a maximum height. So what is this 5 by 2? It's basically a time. That means in this equation we are replacing t by 5 by 2. Okay. First question, we can take a help of the graph. Okay, that will be easier. See the 2 points it's intersecting. One is at 0, another is at 5. So the zeros are one is 0 comma 5. 0 and 5 we can say. Okay, if you are going to solve it also, we get in the same way. This is not a problem. So second question, so for the second question, what they're saying, find the maximum height achieved by the ball. The ball has achieved maximum height when the time was 5 by 2, correct? At this point only it has achieved a maximum height. So we are going to use time as 5 by 2. So the equation is h is equals to 25t square minus 25t minus 5t square. So we are going to find h of 5 by 2, means time is 5 by 2. So we are going to write 20. This will be 125 by 4, which gives you 31.25. So next question, after throwing upward, how much time did the ball take to reach the height of 30 meters? That means what? In this question, they have given us the height. Okay, in the third question, in that A, they gave us the height. That means h is given. H is 30 meters. Okay, what is the equation of h? Equation of h over here is 25t minus 5t square is equals to 30. Let us arrange this in the standard form. That is ax square plus bx plus c form. So if I rearrange it, it becomes 5t square. I'm taking it other side. And even 25t, I'll take other side because here t square is negative. So we are transposing it to the right hand side, which gives you minus 25t plus 30 is equals to 0. So here you can see 5, 25 and 30 all are in 5 table. So we will divide everything by 5 to simplify the equation. So we get t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Okay. So now if you solve it, we get a factors as t minus 2 into t minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. That means 2 seconds and 3 seconds. So what we can say, the ball takes 2 seconds, okay, and 3 seconds to reach that particular point. So we can interpret it like this. So when you throw a ball, the ball will reach at a certain height, correct? Ball will reach at a certain height and then it has to come back. So at this one particular point, the ball slows down, correct? So by keeping that thing in our mind, what we can say, these two may be the correct answer. So it reaches here, for a second it stops and then comes back. That means here it has taken 2 to 3 seconds. Where even if you take 5 by 2 here, it is 2.5, right? 5 by 2 is 2.5. So in that way we can consider this. Okay. Now in this OR question, okay, what is the OR question? Find the two different values of t when the height of the ball was 20 meters. That means again here one more time they want us to solve. So here height is 20 meters. That means if you take an equation as it is, so 25t minus 5t square is equal to 20. The root of this is t minus 4 into t minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So further if you simplify, t is equals to 4 and t is equals to 3. That means the two possible different values of t are 4 and 3, 4 seconds and 3 seconds. Okay. That's it. Thank you.